So we just unloaded a container. It's kind of a surprise because it was overweight, and then they were like, we gotta repack it or something like that, and then they ended up showing up early today, and then we were understaffed. It was 1, 2, 3, 4 of us, including Larry, that got all this out. So, but we're getting Pro Box orders out today that came in, and I'm in fucking exhausted. I just changed my shirt. I was all fucking soaked. So, and then I sent out DSPs to you guys. I forgot to include the harnesses. So I gotta send those out. But a lot of zero gauge copper kits. So you'll see those on Amazon. Just go to the Recoil store. I put the link in the description for you to go check that out. And just keep an eye on it, and you'll see new stuff show up, and start doing it. We had to get a lot of this stuff. Just we couldn't even sort it while we were trying to sort it, but we didn't get to sort it all the way. So 5 1/4s are in. And I think they have 4-inch coaxials too. A lot of the capacitors are in. That's what those are. The R1Ds. Those are really popular. 4 gauge kits. There you go. And if you're local, let me know if you need any speaker boxes. I know speaker boxes are in short supply right now. There's a whole bunch of them back there. It's just a flat pack, so you glue it and screw it. And if you want a pallet of them, let me know. Pallet pricing is really, really cheap. It's a lot cheaper than ordering from like Goldwood or Parts Express or even Amazon. So, but I just want to give you guys a quick update. I gotta go stretch out because I'm getting cramps. My vagina hurts. Love you guys. Talk to you later.